Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Charlie, episode 3. This week we are making brown butter cookies because sometimes you just need a damn good cookie. Okay, so we're gonna murder one chocolate bunny, plus I'm gonna add some dark chocolate. We're just trying to get about 8 ounces total of any chocolate of your choice. We're gonna rough chop this. And we want a bit of variety in shape because we want the chocolate to pool in our final product. Over medium heat, we're going to melt and brown 2 sticks of unsalted butter, making sure not to burn the butter. We brown the butter, which happens when the milk fat solids separate from the liquid butter and fall to the bottom of the pan and caramelize. This will give our cookies a deep, rich, and nutty flavor. Let the butter cool off the heat and add it to a mixture of 3/4 cup brown sugar and a 1/2 cup white sugar, mixing together until combined. Personally, I don't measure vanilla. I pour until my heart's content because vanilla is gas. But then we're going to mix that and we're going to add 2 room temperature eggs. Yeah. Nice cracking work. Just waiting until I can say that. Yeah, now we're going to mix the eggs. We're going to mix eggs together. Yeah, see that right there? Then we're going to add 2 cups of AP flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt, gradually and carefully folding the flour into the dough. Now we're going to fold in our chocolate. Okay, here's the tough part. Now we have to wait half of an hour. We're doing this because we melted the butter in this recipe, and the flour needs to hydrate or our cookies will spread and become too thin and loose in the oven. On a parchment or silicone lined baking sheet, we're going to pop these puppies in to a 350 degree oven. We're going to check on them. And as you can see here, they're beautiful. After about 9 to 12 minutes, this is what they're going to look like. Perfect. And after that, we're going to hit them with some sea salt. That sea salt is going to really help balance well with the chocolate and the butter. Let's see how it tastes. I mean, the brown butter in this is just electric. These cookies really do hold up to most other store-bought brands, most of the recipes that I've tried. Yeah, it's just a really good cookie. But don't take my word for it. Let's ask some bystanders what they think.
Those are good.
I'm kidding, no, that's actually really
We're
good.
paid actors. No, I'm kidding. It tastes, yeah,
It's
it's really
really
good,
good.
especially with the salt.
Yeah?
I like that it's soft.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not lying.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.